So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Dolby Atmos on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So if you go into settings and under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then go to sound quality and effects. You should see Dolby Atmos. Now you're probably seeing this area grayed out and you're not able to turn it on or off. And that's because you're not connected to an external speaker. So this could be a set of headphones, maybe Bluetooth headphones or even wired headphones, because it's only headphones that support Dolby Atmos that will allow you to enable or disable it. Now, if you're trying to enable Dolby Atmos on the speakers of your phone, that's not going to be possible because, first of all, you only have one speaker and you can't enable Dolby Atmos with one speaker. So you need to have connected your phone to a set of Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth speaker that supports Dolby Atmos. And then you'll be able to turn it on or off, on or off. Now, once you turn it on, you also have a couple of options. You can set it to different modes: movie mode, music mode, voice mode, or auto. Thanks for watching and good luck.